If you're taking daily antacids to deal with chronic bloating, you need to understand how those medications actually work. They temporarily neutralize the acid in your stomach, but they leave the root cause of trapped gas completely untouched. To actually release that trapped air, you don't need a stronger pill. You can clear the blockage in exactly 5 minutes using 3 basic items already sitting in your kitchen. Looking at this recipe layout, we need exact measurements. Half a teaspoon of Ajwain, or carom seeds, a quarter teaspoon of Hing, also known as asafoetida, and just a pinch of kala namak, or black salt. When gas gets trapped in the intestines, the pressure expands outward. This creates severe physical symptoms like tight chest pain, intense shoulder tension, and a suffocating heaviness that many people mistake for a medical emergency. Swallowing temporary acid suppressants won't relieve that pressure. You have to address the actual mechanical and chemical blockages in your gut to force the air out. Step 1 is building the chemical trigger. Take your measured Ajwain, Hing, and black salt and mix them into a glass of warm water. Cover the glass and let it steep for exactly 2 minutes before you take your first sip. Ferulic acid in Hing chemically relaxes the smooth muscles of the intestinal wall, opening the constricted tube. Simultaneously, Ajwain activates digestive enzymes, rapidly breaking down trapped food particles. Finally, black salt acts as a carminative, neutralizing the highly acidic environment into a calm, balanced state. Once you finish the glass, your body will give you an immediate physical indicator that the blockage is clearing. Within 2 to 5 minutes, you will start burping or passing gas. This warm liquid mixture acts as a direct chemical trigger, converting stagnant, trapped digestion into active, forceful release. Now that the chemical reaction has started, we move to step 2, physical acceleration. Immediately after finishing the drink, you need to perform Vajrasana, or thunderbolt pose. This is a unique posture because it is perfectly safe to perform on a full stomach. Looking at the alignment here, the mechanics are specific. Kneel on a mat and sit back flush against your heels. Keep your spine perfectly straight. Place your hands resting on your thighs, and keep your core actively engaged. Holding this specific posture applies gentle mechanical pressure directly to the abdomen. This pressure accelerates peristalsis, the natural downward wave-like movement of your intestinal tract. If you have severe knee pain, do not attempt this floor pose. Instead, sit completely upright in a firm chair and focus on deep, rhythmic breathing to engage the abdomen. By applying this specific, targeted mechanical pressure, you ensure that the gas we just chemically released is physically pushed down and entirely out of the digestive tract. If you have a sensitive stomach and cannot drink the mixture, there is an alternative external delivery method. Mix a quarter teaspoon of Hing powder and a half teaspoon of Ajwain powder, then add just enough drops of warm water to form a smooth paste. Coat your belly button directly with this paste and spread it evenly within a strict 1/20. Let it sit completely undisturbed for 10 minutes before washing it off with warm water. This visual demonstrates the transdermal absorption process. The volatile oils from the Hing and Ajwain penetrate the skin layers, traveling downward to directly relax the tense intestinal muscles sitting just beneath. Skin absorption allows you to bypass the stomach entirely, offering a safe secondary attack vector to relieve smooth muscle tension from the outside in. If you clear the gas today, but wake up bloated again tomorrow, you are dealing with incomplete evacuation. This is the primary reason acute relief protocols fail over the long term. When your digestion is sluggish, residual food matter and toxins cling to the intestinal walls. Over time, this debris ferments, turning your gut into a continuous gas-generating chamber. To solve this, you have to systematically clear out the toxic residue. An Ayurvedic formulation like Easy Flow syrup is designed exactly for this. It's a sugar-free blend that acts over a 2 to 4 week period to scrub the intestinal walls clean, making it a safe option for almost all age groups. Finding 5 minutes of acute relief is futile if your gut remains a permanent fermentation chamber. Total intestinal clearance is the only permanent solution to chronic bloating. Before you begin, look closely at these medical contraindications. Pregnant or nursing women must avoid oral Hing entirely unless approved by a doctor. If you suffer from peptic ulcers or severe acid reflux, strictly limit the drink protocol to 2 or 3 times a week. For toddlers under 2 years old, the rule is strict. They must never be fed the drink. rely entirely on the external navel paste for their gas relief. Most importantly, pay close attention to the severity of your chest pressure. Severe chest pain or sudden breathing difficulty must be evaluated by a medical professional immediately. Heart attacks are frequently and fatally confused with indigestion. Right now, assess your physical state. Try the protocol, observe how your body responds over the next 5 minutes, and report your relief timeline in the comments below. Achieving true physical health requires knowing the strict boundary between a temporary annoyance you can solve in your kitchen and a critical emergency that requires a hospital.